Wow, a mysterious island.
Let's read it.
Yes, of course.
In 1865, during the American Civil War, 4 men and a boy are prisoners of war in the enemy town. One stormy night.
We've got to escape, Cyrus. I agree, Bancroft, but how? There are soldiers everywhere. Look, a hot air balloon, we could use it. Yes, I know, but it doesn't work. Can you fix it? Yes, I can, and there aren't any soldiers.
That night, 4 men, a boy, and a dog escape in the balloon. On the 5th day, the balloon begins to drop. The storm is terrible and the wind carries them far over the sea.
Throw out air into the dome tree. We must get the balloon up higher. Inspector, we are right now. No, Ned, we're still too heavy. We'll fall soon.
Suddenly, a huge wave crashes into the man and Cyrus falls into the sea.
Bancroft's pilot, Ned and Harbert are holding tightly to the ropes, but Cyprus has fallen into the sea. The wind carries the balloon toward the island.
Oh no, we're falling into the sea. Cut the ropes. Drop the basket. Hang on to the ropes. Look, over there, land. It's too far, we won't make it. Cyrus! Cyrus!
Wake up, everyone! I can't find Cyrus! Dog's missing too.
After searching for hours, they see a small island in the distance.
I'll swim over and look for Cyrus. I'll come with you.
Ned and Spilot swim to the small island. Bancroft and Harbert find the cave and set up camp. They light the fire and catch some fish for supper. Later that evening, Ned and Spilot return.
There you are, Beaver. We looked everywhere. There's no sign of Cyrus or Top. Top, good boy. Top, where's Cyrus? Let's wake the others. Top! He wants to follow him. Let's go!
The next morning, Neb finds a surprise outside the cave.
Look! He's stopping the front of the cave. It's Cyrus. I think he's dead. He's not dead, man, but he's very weak.
I'll get some water.
Soon Cyclops is able to sit up and talk.
But how did I get here? Did someone carry me?
Maybe he walked.
I can't remember.
He was too weak to walk. And where did this blanket come from?
We're just happy. You're okay, Cyrus.
2 days later, Cyrus feels better and they walk back to the camp.
Footprints. None of us has shoes like that. So how did they get here?
Back at the camp, the men discuss what they need.
Let's get organized. Until we are rescued, we need to survive on the island. What do we need?
Food. A safe home. Weapons and tools.
One day, while the men are exploring the island.
Look, up there. It's a cave. It can be our new home. It's safe and we can see any ships approaching the island.
We can make a ladder to climb up easily.
Look, fresh water. It's cold and clean. I think we found a perfect place to live.
The men get used to life on the island. They fish, hunt, and farm.
Cyrus teaches them many useful things. One day, a year later.
Look, everyone! It's a big wooden chest. Let's open it. Guns! Tools! Lamps! Books and clothes.
But how did it get here?
That evening, Cyclops and Spell discuss strange discovery.
Cyrus, I have a feeling that someone else is on the island.
I agree with you, Spilett.
It seems like someone is watching us.
Yes, and it seems we have a mysterious helper.
Another year passes quietly. The men work hard and have a comfortable life. Early one morning.
Look, a ship. We're going to be rescued. Let me take a closer look. Oh no, it's a pirate ship.
After almost 3 years on the island, the ship has appeared, but it's a pirate ship.
The men wait for hours, but the ship doesn't leave.
Swims toward the pirate ship.
Bancroft climbs up the ladder and looks around.
Bancroft hurries back to the cave.
A short while later, the pirates attack. The cannon shots get closer and closer to the cave entrance.
The pirates are attacking the island.
Listen, the cannons have stopped. The ship, it's on fire. But how? Look, the ship is sinking. This is very strange.
The danger is over, but the next morning...
Herbert, wake up. What's wrong with you? His temperature won't come down. I don't know what's wrong. If he doesn't get the right medicine, he will die.
Herbert is very sick and his friends think he will die. The men take turn caring for Herbert.
Poor Herbert, I'll get some fresh water. What is this? It wasn't there before. Look, I found this bottle next to Herbert's bed. Let me see. It must be our mysterious helper. It's exactly the medicine Herbert needs.
The medicine works. A few weeks later, Herbert is up and about.
Stop! Where are you going? Wait for me! I think someone has to follow him!
The men follow Tom to the small cave by the ditch.
What is it? Look, a letter.
Dear friends, the time has come for us to meet. Go down the shaft at the back of your cave. Come soon.
Finally, we are going to meet our mysterious helper.
The men set off to meet their mysterious helper.
Sarah slowly climbs down the shaft. One by one, the men join Sarah's.
They row along the underground river.
The men discover submarine under their cave. They climb on board.
Wow, it's so big. I wonder who it belongs to.
I think I know who the owner is. You must be Captain Nemo.
Yes, I am. Welcome to my submarine, the Nautilus.
We have heard so much about you, sir.
Yes, but you have heard only the bad things. I want you to tell the world the truth. It's all here in my diaries.
Thank you. You're mysterious helper. You saved our lives. But why are you here?
My friends, I'm dying. I had long life and many adventures. I have one last wish. An earthquake has blocked the entrance and the submarine cannot leave this cave. I want you to sink the Nautilus with me in it.
We can't do that, Captain Nemo.
Please, promise to keep my last wish.
They all share a wonderful meal.
Please tell the world the truth about me.
We will.
Goodbye, Captain Nemo.
Goodbye, Captain Nemo.
Sadly, the men leave. They watch as the Nautilus sinks slowly into the water.
Almost 4 years have gone by. The men still hope that they will be rescued.
SPELL writes a book about their life and adventures on the island.
This is an exciting story. When we get home, people will read it and see that Captain Nemo was good.
One day in spring.
Look, a ship, and it's flying the British flag. Let's light a fire over here. Help! A ship's turning around. Hooray!
On the board the ship, they tell the captain their story.
That's an amazing story. I also have some good news for you. The war is over. You are free, man.
After 4 long years, we're finally going home.
We can see our friends, our families.
The ship set